So, hey everyone, I just started a new series called What Did I Wrong Today? So, I will do some questions from the gate overflow which did wrong today. Let's start with the question. The question asking consider the following graph. This is a graph. The number of minimum cost spanning tree can be made using Kruskal's algorithm is. So as we can see, the graph consists of 6 nodes. So according to Kruskal's algorithm, we just go with the minimum weight edge first. So just look at this one from E to H. The next thing is we have to go to any connected edge, or it's a Kruskal, so we can go to any random edge which is second minimum. So we have actually two option. So either this or either this, we can choose any one. So just choose, we are choosing this one. This is F, and next will be choosing this because of same weightage, and then we can't choose this because it will be cycle. We can't choose this either because it will be cycle, so we have to move forward this direction. Now the thing is, every edge has same weight, so I can choose any. So let us for example choose this and this. This is G and this is J. So now we are connected to every vertices and we have not chosen every edge. So this is one of the spanning tree, minimum cost spanning tree. So it's a fun. Next, let me change the color and tell you. Okay, so we have changed the color, and this time I'm not considering either of these two. We'll change the different one. Just erase this part. So we'll choose this branch and this edge. So it will be another minimum spanning tree. For the next, we can choose is we can choose this and this. So we'll choose this and this. It will be another. So till now we have chosen this, and this. So we still have option for one this, and another option will be we have chosen this, and this. So it will be 5 options, right? One is the parallel lines, another one is diagonal and straight line, third one is this, fourth one is this, and then next one is we have chosen everything. Okay, the last one will be this line and this line. So FG and this line. So last one will be this. Let me just draw for your clarification. So I have done the third one. The fourth one will be first, second, third, and fourth one with this, and fifth one will be this and this. Let's look at next question.